If you want to get this 20-minute costume idea for work, keep on watching. Okay, first things first, you want to put on your base, your eyeshadow, and your eyebrows, just like this. Okay, so what I did already, I did the base, I did my eyebrows, I did a little bit of shadow, I did a little contour, and as you can see, I did the 2 little dots. I thought the camera was recording, but it wasn't, so it's okay. You guys can just use a little orange, pink, make your little circles. That's something that is just whatever you guys know how to make circles. So I did that. I did contour my face just a little bit so I could have like a little dimension in my face so I'm not like a flat scarecrow. But I'm gonna start with the eyes. So for the eyes, again, I did the little base of a natural color that looks well on you. On the outside, I'm gonna do black, and then the middle, I'm gonna do some orange, and then come back in with a black and black at the bottom. As you can tell, I want my eyes to be really, really dark because I'm gonna wear white contacts and make those white eyes pop a little bit. So let's get started. So I'm gonna use my black from MAC. It's just a basic black color. I think everybody has basic black. I'm gonna start on the outside of my lids, nice and dark. Again, definitely want to keep like a dark look for this, just cause I want my eyes to pop. I'm gonna take the leftovers off the brush and just kind of brush it at the bottom, just so we have it. So as you can tell, my eyes are already starting to probably look smaller because black on my eyes look crazy. And my eyes are Chinese, so you know. Okay, so I'm gonna also go back in the corner with some black. I'm gonna be a little bit lighter hand on the inside just because it is the inside, and then I'm gonna add some browns to it later just to kind of blend a little bit more. So as you can see, boom, I have that done. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics. So this is the same kind of color I used on my cheeks for the little circles. I have this old palette that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go in with this orange, these 2 orange. Those are the same 2 oranges that I used for my cheeks with a little bit of pink. So I'm gonna take the top orange first and kind of see what that looks like. See if I actually need the other orange. Yeah, no, I'm probably not gonna use the other orange because it has a pink base to it. Just kind of go. I'm gonna do one eye at a time just so this video could be a little bit quicker, because you know, this is a rush costume. I'm actually on the way to work, and I just decided this morning I'm gonna be a scarecrow. So, you know, I gotta put some scarecrow makeup on. Like so. I'm trying to just blend the 2 colors with each other, just so it doesn't look as crazy like black. I like to have some type of, you know, mix to it. So that's one eye. Nice and quick, right? Remember, this has to be a quick costume, because if it's not a quick costume, what's the point of this video, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and come right back. So now I did both eyes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick liner, and then I'm gonna start the black. I'm gonna do the lipstick I think last because I need a lip liner, so the black is gonna be the lip liner. I'm gonna use this NYX eyeshadow base. It's just a black to use. I'm gonna use it as a liner and the rest of this makeup stuff because, again, on a rush, or sorry, in a rush. So I'm just gonna get my little flathead brush and I'm gonna do some liner. Let me fix you up a little. Alright, so I'm gonna do some liner really quick. Not like you're gonna probably even see this, but I always need a liner. I will be putting on eyelashes later, not for work, just cause I don't got time right now. Okay, just did a little bit of some as you can tell between the two eyes. Little some. Put a little bit more on this eye. One thing I learned about liner, fun fact about liners, guys, is that if you use a brush, flat head brush or angler brush, comes out so much better. And also if you pull your eyelid back, the line gets a little bit straighter. Alright, so that's that for my liner. Really didn't probably need any. But I'm going to start the smile. So I go from the corner. And as you can see, it's very, very thin. This is what I like. Phone blowing up. And then go in, do a little one. Alright, so now I don't have any. I don't have time to be going so slow, so we're gonna do it a little bit of rush. Eyeshadow base basically has its good and bad because it's great to wipe off. Bad because it doesn't even come out as pigmented as a liner, so if you want to use a liner, by all means go ahead. I just got this, so I need to use it. I feel like my smile is a little uneven, huh? This one's a little thicker, but you know what? Again, it's a fast costume, so I gotta make it look like I put some thought in it though. Boom, that's for that. I'm gonna do the lip liner. Then I'm gonna do a little circle on my nose. Well, it's not gonna be a circle, it's gonna turn into a square. Well, triangle looking, ovally thing. Just the outline so I can see what I'm doing on my face. I'm gonna add a little cut mark up here and go slice, 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 add my slices, add my slices. Am I looking Scarecrow-like, guys? I think that's it. And then just add a little whatevers. Alright, so basically that is the base of everything. Oh, the base. I keep saying base. That is like what a practical, quick little Scarecrow mini thing looks like. I'm just gonna fill this in, fill my lips in with some color after I do some after I do some mascara. I'm going to do that. Do you guys see that little cut freaking, I went skateboarding and had a gnarly ass fall. Like, I don't even know where the fall came from because I wasn't even expecting it. So I fell and hit my ass and hit my hands. So yeah, I have a little battle wound, little scar that might be happening. My butt hurts. Like, I can't even bend down. I'm not even gonna go crazy with mascara because I am gonna put lashes on later. But and this is the final look for work. I'm not gonna scare anybody with work with my contacts in. I'm not putting them in now just because it's work time. I can't like be too distracting. But I'm gonna have white contacts in, and I'm gonna put my little hat that I have here on. Boom. So it's my little Scarecrow outfit, just a plain little t-shirt and some blue jeans and some brown boots, and I look Scarecrow-like, right? If you like this video, if you like my little fast, quick Halloween tutorial on how you can like get a little outfit for Halloween for work in like 20 minutes, definitely give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and happy Halloween, safe trick-or-treating, and thank you for watching. Bye!